It's loading.
All right. The AR.Drone.
Can you get a haircut with that?
Shows you how stable it is.
That thing is wicked, man. What are you controlling now?
Tablet.
A tablet?
Yeah. You can see what it sees as it is.
Oh, it's got
First person view.
It's got a camera on it? Oh, check that out.
Big picture.
Does it have a camera on the bottom?
Yep. That faces down there.
Oh, nice.
720, right? $299. And we have one that has a camera. It's a stand camera.
Do you have to have a tablet?
You have to have a smart device. Phone, tablet. I control with my iPhone.
iPod with
No.
Any smartphone can.
Okay. But you eliminate the first person view if you do that. Okay, yeah. Because I saw someone online put their own controller, their one of the video game controllers.
Bring it this way.
Yeah. You can go that route too, or this way. Oh, you can?
This AR.Drone. Sold at strongsvillehobby.com or Strongsville Hobby of Elyria. 440-366-0665. We have them in stock along with all the parts, different colors, extra batteries. Has 2 cameras on it, first person view, on an iPhone device, $299.99. 155 feet of flying fun.
Oh, I normally keep it in sight, and once it's in sight,
That is cool. Isn't it?
yeah,